Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Emveni kokuba i-Action SA isazisile ukuthi i-mayoral candidate yabo for i-City of Ekurhuleni kuzoba Xolani Khumalo, kusuka ukukhuluma ke okuningi ikakhulukazi kuma-fighters. Ama-fighters awasijabulelanga lesinqumo. Abanye bathi ngokubamba nje igebengu nje, ngokubamba ama-drugs ambalwa, from lapho so-qualified ukuthi ungaba yimeya na. Kuningi ukukhuluma kwehlukahlukene. Kodwa mina ngicabanga ukuthi njengoba siyasibone kwenzeka, abakazi abantu bacomplaina kanje. Angingithathe example. Nangu uminister wamaphoyisa uSenzo Mchunu, beka uminister we-water and sanitation, wakhishwa lapha wafakwa ukuthi akabe uminister wamaphoyisa. Ube nayiphi experience emaphoyiseni, ube naluphi ulwazi emaphoyiseni. Kodwa ngenxa ukuthi kunabantu osebenza nabo, awusebenzi wedwa. Ngicabanga ukuthi mina uXolani naye uzoba nabeluleki, uzoba nama-advisors. Kukhona iy'nqumo efuneka angeke azazithathe nje uma ngasanikwa ithuba. Manje into ekhalelwa ama-fighter angiyiqondi mina. Angino-Obakeng naye uthi uDr Rebecca Malope naye uzoba i-mayoral candidate maduze nje. Siyamphendula-ke lo uthi mara Obakeng ayikho fair, this is unfair statement to make. You all had Karabo Moroka suspend as MPs, Libo Eugene are there. Why is Xolani's appointment so upset to you? Akiri, you all want to clean up. So let us all clean up and we will decide who must lead us. So uyabona ukuthi ama-fighters lento lesinqumo nje aya asihleli kabi. Xolisile Gcilisha enobhale kanje, I'll never stop taking pictures and videos because they help a great deal. Look at this. I remember it was at the height of his murder accusations. I sat with the MMC to discuss how we move forward, considering our association with him. It was long discussion, but MMC at the end told me he will continue working with him. I wasn't sure, but again, that's what EFF does. Cleanse, sanitize, people who then make enemies of us. Ukuthi ngokwe-EFF uyabakweleta ngoba bameseka ngalesa sikhathi ayibhekene necala lokubulala. Ushuthi nje uyabakweleta, uyayikweleta i-EFF. Yingakho mhlambe bengajabulanga. Ngoba mhlambe yayikweleta. Kodwa ke asidlulele phambili sithole ukuthi azafike kulesinqumo ufike kanjani kuso sokuthi abe i-candidate yemeya. Ngicela uzwe la.
You speak about not getting the support, but we'll get into that. I just quickly want to ask, why Action SA specifically?
I can say I trust Action SA, and you have to do proper due diligence before you make a decision. There's been a few engagements that happened before. Then when we did our own due diligence, we found that actually the person that we can trust is Mr. Herman Mashaba. So that's how it came about in terms of us being part of a Action SA. And when we had a conversation with Mr. Mashaba, miraculously he brought it up and it happened. So this is where we are right now.
So he's the one that said, hey, don't you want to be our male candidates?
Yes, because...
Did he approach you?
We went to him asking for help as a foundation, that we want to fight crime, can he support us, And he said, actually, you don't have to go around asking for help. With the amount of work that you've done and the passion that you have, you're more than fit to take office in Ekurhuleni. Then I was like, Yuban, okay. So you can never doubt the wisdom that comes from the elders. So as a child, I was taught to listen to the people that are older than me and take their wisdom, and whether good or bad, just find a balance and see what works.
Njengoba ebeka ke uXolani Khumalo ukuthi is i-foundation Xolani Khumalo Foundation bahambile bayocela usizo kaMan Mashaba. Phela uKaman Mashaba sikhumbula ukuthi ekugcineni kosuku usomabhizinisi akasipolitician, baqinisile futhi abathi akasipolitician ngoba usomabhizinisi. Ipolitics uyithola ngendlela, kodwa-ke uthi yena mayikhuluma athi ngoba uthanda izwe leli lase-South Africa. Bahambile bawucela usizo, wayesethi yena no, kodwa emveni komsebenzi eseniwenzile ngicabanga ukuthi ningalunga. Wayesebona noXolani ukuthi oh okay, asibone ukuthi singenze njani, ngoba into efuna uXolani ukuthi athole ama-resources akwazi ukulwa ne-crime. Iyona nto apassionate ngayo, ukulwa ne-crime. Into afuna ukuyibona yenzeka ukulwa ne-crime, ukuthi i-crime inciphe, ukuthi ama-drugs angabibikho emgwaqweni, okunye nokunye okufunda ngendlela. Kodwa nje iyona nto apassionate ngayo. Women Mashaba usebenzise ithuba lokuthi abone ukuthi okay, uXolani unalo budlelwano nabantu. Abantu base-South Africa ba-frustrated. Abantu base-South Africa ba-frustrated, bakhathele ama-drugs. Abantu base-South Africa bakhathele i-corruption ekhona. So ukuthi ubani uyi-politician noma akayona i-politician abanamsebenzi nalokho. Into abafuna ukuyibona bona ukuzibona bephila ezweni elisafe, ukuzibona bephila endaweni esafe. Iyona nto ephusha abantu base-South Africa. Ngizwile ama-fighters athi ya uma kuza illegal immigration ubhilivela ini indabeni ey'ningi ngoba ukuba yi-mayor kufuna iy'nto ey'ningi, akusikho nje kuphela ukubamba abantu bama-drugs. Yes, uguti kuleyo nto leyo, kodwa njengoba ngishilo ekuqaleni, angeke phela usebenze wedwa, kuzoba nabantu obonisana nabo. Women Mashaba yena self une-experience, uwasebenza izimeya, so ungakwazi ukumeluleka. Khathi ene-interview lapha ku-NCA bambuzile ukuthi ngoba yena ubonakale elwa nje nale ndaba yama-drugs and into ayazi kangcono ukulwa i-crime, uzokwenza njani as umeya? Njengomeya nje uzomisa kanjani? Wayesephendula kanje.
You obviously very big on crime. Your work speaks for itself.
Yes.
But I mean, the only problem is not just crime in any
Yes.
metro, any city. I mean,
Yes.
there are other big issues, especially in Ekurhuleni.
Yes.
If you just drive around, you can see it. How will you manage the balance between your passion and love for dealing with crime, but also dealing with someone doesn't have water, or someone's complaining about the noise level, or someone's complaining about their street lights? I mean, these are just small issues, but how will you find that balance?
If you can look at every problem that the metro is facing right now, it's rooted in crime. Corruption is the biggest crime, because that's crime against humans and citizens that deserves the basic needs: water, lights, medication, healthcare, education. Because if that type of crime, corruption, did not exist, the funds that are dedicated or designated for a certain function would do that. The reason why people don't have water, because someone is eating money that has to service water. The reason why people don't get proper health care is because of someone is enriching himself with those funds. Look at the Tembisa hospital crisis. So the people that are affected, it's not the people you see flashing their lifestyles and stuff like that, are the people that are living, I can say it's the lower LSM, if I'm putting it in a proper language. It's the people who have time to vote. It's the people that actually cry to government and say, we want better lives. So crime is the cause of where we are as a country and where we are as a city of Ekurhuleni. So the passion that I have to fight crime, it's not only the A crimes where someone has a gun, a knife, selling drugs, and it's not only that. But there's white collar crime that is happening, that is controlled by drug syndicate. I'm sure we've seen in the Madlanga Commission that certain things have been unveiled.
And Ekurhuleni is
It's
center.
there, 100%. So what we need right now is a tool that will work to service the people. Because you can't call yourself a leader and you're selfish, you're looking after your own interests. While there are people who are crying, there are children that are dying because they don't get proper health care. There are old people that are pensioners that cannot access hospitals and clinics, but they have to spend their pension money to buy medication that could be provided by government.
Zule kuxolani njoba bekakhuluma. Ngicela ukuzwa ukuphawula kwakho. Ngizwe wena ukuthi ubona kanjani. Mhlambe wena ungakwazi ungicacisela ukuthi yini le khathaza ama-fighter kangaka? Yini le eyenza ukuthi ama-fighter akhathazeke kangaka ngokuthi uXolani ujoyine i-Action SA and uyi-mayoral candidate? Ngiyafisa ukuzwa kuwe. Nanokuthi kazi uXolani ubebakweleta na ngokuthi abe bameseke ngesikhathi nakhe ayibhekene nalela cala lemeda. Abamenzelanga lutho kodwa. Bameseka nje ngaleso sikhathi. Then yena icala lakhe angazi ama-charges agcine bewadrophile na, kodwa yena waphuma phambili ecaleni ingakho ngasamgwebanga. Futhi ubelokhu ebhizi-ke esebenza. Bona bagcina lapho, kodwa yena ubelokhu ebhizi, ubengayekile. Njengoba ezefika eMeni Mashaba, ngoba akayekile ukulwa necrime. Ubengayekile. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi sike sambona ehamba no-MMC we-Public Safety Dr. Gcina Mtshwako. Simbonile ehamba naye. Ngaze nganethemba lokuthi hayi shuthi i-EFF izombambela eduze ngoba iyambona ukuthi uzinikele kangakanani. Kodwa-ke manje i-EFF ikhombisa ukungasijabuleli isinqumo sakhe. Ya, cela ukuzwa ukuphawula kwakho la ku-comment section. Mina nawe bese sidibana kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.